Think your hearing is sharper than everyone else's? Let's put it to the test. You're about to hear a series of beeps. This video is designed to test your hearing accuracy. This is the same style of test used by top hearing doctors. And today, you're getting to try it completely free. Some beeps will be loud, some will be soft. Every time you hear a beep, even if it's barely there, tap the screen 2 times. Stay focused. Use headphones for best results. Don't guess. Only respond if you truly hear it. Let's see how sharp your hearing really is. At the end of this video, comment your age and how many beeps you heard, and we will reply with your score.